Here is one trigonometric problem. First we have to read the problem carefully. Then we can draw the diagram. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Here we can observe that there are two things. One is tower and another one is building. Take tower. Usually tower is higher than the building. This is building. Okay. What is given in the problem is the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower. That means foot of the tower is this one to the top of the building. This means this angle. This angle is we have to draw line to make an angle. This angle is 30 degrees. Next, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. Angle of elevation of the top of the tower. That means here to here. From where? From the foot of the building. Foot of the building is this point. Is how much? 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. If the tower height is 30 meters. Tower height is 30 meters. A, B, C, D. Here, find the height of the building. That means we have to find this one. Okay. We can draw a line like this. Okay. This is E. Okay. First of all, from triangle, there are two triangles ABC. From triangle ABC, we can write tan 60 equal to opposite side, that is nothing but AB, by adjacent side, that is nothing but BC. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3. AB's height is given in the problem. Tower height is how much? Tower height is 30 meters. So 30 by BC. Next, BC equal to take cross multiplication. That means root 3 BC equal to 30. That is BC equal to 30 by root 3. We can write 30 as 3 multiples to cancel the root 3. That is 10 into root 3 by root 3. That means 10 into root 3 into root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Okay, root 3. Automatically 1 root 3 will be cancelled. Answer is here BC is 10 root 3. BC is how much? 10 root 3 meters BC. Next, from triangle. Next, take the another triangle. From triangle BCD. From triangle BCD, we can write tan 30. Here angle is 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees equal to CD by BC. CD by BC. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. CD we have to find. BC I have already found the CD value. 10 root 3. Okay. Next, take cross multiplication. 10 root 3 equal to CD into root 3. Okay. Next, we have to find CD. So, we can write as CD into root 3 equal to 10 root 3. Okay. Next, CD equal to automatically root 3. Here is multiplication sign. Then 10 root 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. Then CD value is 10 meters. What is the CD here? CD is from the diagram. CD is nothing but this is height. This is the building we have taken first. So the height of the building is 10 meters. Okay, very simple problem. First we have to understand the problem carefully. Take tower aside and building aside. Angle of elevation given here is 30 degrees to the foot of the building from the foot of the tower, 30 degrees, and the angle of elevation here to the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. After that we have taken the two triangles. First we have taken the first triangle and take the tan function. Finally we find the BC value 10 root 3 meters. Next take the another triangle BCD and take the tan angle here also, because we have to find out the opposite sides. So here opposite sides and adjacent sides only, so we have to take the tan function. Okay, if we take a sine angle here, we can't find the if we find the hypotenuse also, there is no use, because here in this problem we have to find the opposite side here, and then before triangle also we find the adjacent side. For that we have taken the tan function here. Okay, next in triangle BCD we have taken the tan function, and finally we got the CD value. CD is nothing but the building height. From a diagram we can observe the CD, that is nothing but the height of the building. In the problem also they asked only here to find the height of the building. Okay, this is the height of the building. It is 10 meters.